G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the links and we're happy to help you out. Okay, so I'm just up on this roof and it's pretty normal to see this type of thing where the bedding and pointings coming out of the roof on these caps. Just doing my normal roof inspection, and that's not going to potentially leak on that bit, but these bits here were coming out will cause it to leak, and of course that cap there's loose then, and so it can actually move. So yeah, whoever's done this hasn't used the right bedding, and so that's why it's cracked out and they haven't pointed over it. So not in very good condition, but down here you can see somebody stepped on this at some point and broken all of that, and you can see they've put silicone in there, and there's silicone all the way in there, all the way in there, all the way in there, trying to hold it together by the looks of it, but yeah, that's not the best solution. But in order to fix that tile there, you have to pull the bit of bedding out and rebed it and repoint it. So there's a bit of work in fixing that, but yeah, it shouldn't be siliconed up. So see this one here? They didn't even put any bedding under that one. So there's nothing at all stopping that from leaking. It's just been sat in there and had a bit of pointing put on the ends. So that's not done right. So I'll let the owner know, and that's why we do a roof inspection. Check things out and make sure that it's all okay before we get in and do the job.